English code is Love First Nation. This is, I believe that this is our 7th years to come this town in Lillooet in the summertime. Yeah, we really appreciate to welcome all our team members and everybody, and also really appreciate to sharing all your awesome culture. Yeah, you guys know what is my favorite one? 200-pound dance. I think that dance is, actually for myself. I'm only 200 pounds, I don't need anything to carry that. Just myself, over, I love it. I have to learn a little bit more about 200 pounds dance. And also thank you for sharing all our Korean culture for all the way from Korea to here. Anybody find out any kind of similarity between Korean culture and First Nation culture? It's kind of similarity. For myself, I was surprised when I saw your drumming and your dance first time. I just surprised myself. It's pretty much similar with our Christian culture in Korea. Just surprised for myself. I think we're in the same tribe. Mongolian tribe. I have a Mongolian spot when I was young. That's true. I asked my mom, and she said yes. Today, I'm going to share about a little short message. Today's message title is emergency. What's the emergency?